girls and boys, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Aduki with a Y, and you are watching Storytime Haven. This channel is all about children's books, and I am here to share, teach, and inspire. On today's episode, we will be reading Grandma's Purse. This book is written and illustrated by Vanessa Brantley-Newton. Look, it is shaped just like a purse. It even has a handle. Let's see what Grandma has inside her purse. Today, my Grandma Mimi is coming to visit. When Mimi comes over, she always has a new treasure to share. And no matter what it is, it comes from inside her purse. Can you see this colorful purse? That's Grandma Mimi's purse. I can't look away from it. It must be full of some magical things. All of the things that make my Grandma Mimi. Will you show me what's inside? Yes, she will. I keep all kinds of things in my purse. You never know what you want to have with you. I use my mirror to see myself before you see me. I use it to put on my lipstick, so my lips are ready to give you a big kiss. And you have your smell good. Mimi laughs. Yes, I use my smell good so you know I was here even after I go home. I keep extra earrings in my purse in case I want to feel extra fancy. And my hairpins keep my hair just so. This coin purse holds my coins, of course, but it also holds memories. Your grandfather brought it back from Japan for me. So when I do something small like put away change, I do something big and think of him too. Candy! You never know when you'll need a little treat. Mimi always passes me a piece of candy to suck on in church, right when I start having a hard time paying attention to the pastor. Your phone looks like a toy. It has my friends' phone numbers on it. What else would I need it for? My glasses help me see your pretty face, and this scarf can keep me warm. Or give me a cushion if I want to rest my head. Or it can make me feel fancy if my earrings don't do it on their own. So this is how Mimi gets to be Mimi. With everything in her purse, I can be Mimi too. Look, she's wearing all the accessories in Mimi's purse. She looks just like Mimi. Toward the bottom of the bag, I find a sleeve of pictures. At first, I only recognize one, me. But Mimi shows me who's in the others. There's Mimi a long time ago when she married Papa, and another of my mom when she was my age. She looks like me, only without all of Mimi's accessories. There's one more thing at the very bottom. I couldn't see it until we took out all of Mimi's treasures, one by one. It's big, and it has my name on it. A purse of my own, and I know what will go in first. The end. Thank you for watching Storytime Haven. Don't forget to keep smiling and shining. Remember to subscribe and like this video.
See you next time.